All right, the second example in this section is sort of the opposite process, right? What if I gave you a picture and told you to give me a formula? You've got to be able to go both ways. The function family matches, doesn't it? It's a V-shape. It's an absolute value graph. Looks fancier than the other one, though, if you ask me. First of all, it's upside down. That means something. The very tippy vertex is scooched. It's off to the right and it's up. That's two things we have to do. And is it stretched or squashed? Well, if you ask me, check out this. See, this is the origin, and see how it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 over and 7 up. 7 up. That means that the slope here is 7 over 4, change in y over change in x. And that means that it's not like a regular one. It's definitely stretched. So we have to figure out how to write all of that. That is like a seriously complicated problem. You know what I'm going to do, because this is kind of confusing me a little bit. I go to the book and I write down the formula. They say, all right, you know what? Any of these absolute value graphs where we translate and stretch and stuff, you can write them this way, where you have an a, x plus or minus a b plus or minus c. And what's going on here is the stretch and the flip are going to go there. The fact that this little dude is translated right 4 units is going to go there. And the fact that he's translated up 7 units is going to go right there. That's how we're going to encode all of this information. All right, so the right and the up are easier, right? You know that you're supposed to write x minus 4 here for right 4 units. And for up 7 units, the c is supposed to be plus 7. So that's cool. That's 2 steps right here. The question is, what is a? Well, this guy is taller than average, right? Instead of a slope of 1 here, we have a slope of 7/4. He's also flipped. So that means he's 7/4 as steep as a regular one. So that means that I can write 7 over 4 x minus 4 plus 7, and then that little negative for the flip. And just to double check, we can plug in the points that we know, 0, 0, 4, 7, and 8, 0. Plugging in 0, 0, what do we get? 0 equals negative 7/4, 0 minus 4, plus 7. Is that true? Well, this is negative 4. You absolute value, you get a 4. So do we have negative 7/4 times 4 plus 7? Yup. And I'll do one more for you. I'll do 4 and 7. We have 7 maybe equal to negative 7/4. 4 minus 4 plus 7. Ooh, that one's easy. Check it out. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the absolute value is 0. So that's just like gone. And then there's a plus 7. So, yup. And you can do the last one yourself. Just plug in the 8, 0 and see that that guy fits in this equation. So we win. It was a seriously fancy equation, and we figured out what it was.